So I am explaining you question number 8. In question number 8, triangle ABC is given which is right angle at C. It means angle ACB जो है ये complete angle यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक ये 90 डिग्री का है, ये 65 दिया हुआ है, ये perpendicular दिया हुआ है. Since CD is perpendicular to AB, CD इसके perpendicular है, it means ये angle और ये angle दोनों 90 डिग्री होंगे. This I have written. You have to find angle ACD. So we'll take this triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, this angle and this angle. Add all the three angles, sum you will get 180 degree. So angle ACD plus angle CAD plus angle CDA. Sum is 180 degree. Why? Because angle sum property. Angle sum property states that the sum of all the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In place of angle ACD, you know the value? No, you don't know. So ACD ऐसे लिख दीजिए. CAD, CAD you already know it's 65 degree. And CDA is also 90 degree. Write 90 degree in place of CDA is equal to write 180. Angle ACD plus 90 and 65, it will become 155 is equal to 180 degree. Angle ACD is equal to 180 degree minus 155 degree. It means angle ACD is equal to 25 degree. Understood? कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछिए. Is it okay? Understanding? Very good. Now you have to find angle BCD. Angle BCD is this angle. As you know, the triangle ACD is a right angle at angle C. It means angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Why? It's given. ACB को आप लिख सकते हैं this angle plus this angle. लिख लीजिए. Angle ACD plus angle BCD. BCD है ये एंगल. एंगल BCD is equal to 90 degree. ACD you have already found it 25 degree. So write 25 degree in place of ACD. Angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Angle BCD is equal to 90 minus 25, that is 65 degree. Is it okay? This is the answer of A part and this is the answer of B part. Understood? Are you understanding? What? खुशी? खुशी समझ में आ रहा है? किसी को पूछना है तो पूछ ले दोबारा. Who said no? You are free to ask. अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है पूछिए. एंगल सी, नाम बताइए आप अपना. बी बोला और पी बोला. बी पूरा बोलिए. क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? नाम बताइए. टेल मी योर नेम फर्स्ट. खुशी. रिद्धि बताइए कौन सा पार्ट नहीं समझ में आया? रिद्धि बी पार्ट नहीं समझ में आया. देखिए एसीबी 90 डिग्री दिया हुआ है. ये पूरा एंगल 90 है. इस एंगल को हम ये एंगल ये वाला और ये वाला प्लस करके लिख सकते हैं. दिस एंगल यू ऑलरेडी फाउंडेड 25 डिग्री, यानी 25 प्लस दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. देखिए 25 प्लस BCD is equal to 90. Angle BCD is equal to 90. This 25 will become minus 25. After subtracting 25 from 90, you will get 65 degree. Is it okay now? Now see, you have to find Angle CBD, this angle you have to find. Again, take triangle CDB. In triangle CDB, is it visible? CDB triangle में तीनों इंटीरियर एंगल को प्लस कर दीजिए. This angle and this angle. This angle you have to find. So write angle CDB plus angle BCD, angle BCD plus angle CBD, angle CBD. Sum you already know, it will come 180 degree because of angle sum property. Is it okay? CBD, CDB is given 90 degree, so write 90 degree in place of CDB. BCD, you have already found it. BCD is equal to 65 degree. So write 65 degree. And CBD you don't know, so write CBD in place of CBD. 180 degree. Add both the angles, you will get 155 degree plus angle CBD is equal to 180 degree. Do not forget to apply degree sign over it, because unit of angle is degree only. Angle CBD is equal to 180 minus 155 degree. It will come 25 degree. This is the answer of C part of your question. Understood? Is it okay? Now I am explaining you next question. Question number 9. Let me clean the blackboard first. In ninth question, it is given that angles of triangles are, first angle is given x minus 40 degree, second is given x minus 20 degree, and third is given 1 upon 2 x minus 10 degree. You have to find the value of x. These angles are the three angles of a triangle. It means the sum of these angles will be 180 degree. So write x minus 40 plus x minus 20 plus 1 upon 2 x minus 10. Sum you already know, 180 degree. Why? Because of angle sum property. Open the bracket, x minus 40 plus x minus 20 plus 1 upon 2x minus 10 is equal to 180 degree. x x x वाले एक साथ लिख लीजिए, x plus 1x, it means x upon 2. नंबर एक साथ -40 -20 -10 is equal to 180 degree. X and x will become, take LCM. LCM of 1 1 2 is 2. 1 2 ja 2x ja 2x, again 1 2 ja 2x ja 2x plus 2 1 ja 2, 1x ja 1x, that is x. Minus 40, 20 and 30, all numbers are in minus. So what you need to do, you have to add all the three numbers, but you have to write their addition in minus. मैंने आपको बताया था माइनस माइनस प्लस होता है, but answer will come in minus only. 40, 20, 60 or 10, 70, minus 70 is equal to 180 degree. 2 to 4 and 1, 5x. 5x upon 2 is equal to 180 degree. This minus 70 will become plus 70 because we are repositioning it. 5x upon 2 is equal to, add 70 180, you will get 250 degree. It means Do cross multiplication. 5x is equal to 250 into 2. X is equal to 250 into 2 upon 5. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja 25, 50. X is equal to 50 to the 100 degree is the value of x. Understood? Understood?
परसों मैंने आपको बताया था और द डिसऑर्डर मीन्स जो मेंटली बच्चे हैं, मेंटली हैंडीकैप्ड हैं, वो कौन कौन से होते हैं, कितने प्रकार के होते हैं। तो उस वीडियो में मैंने आपको सब बता दिया था